This week on Neometrics 3D Tech Tips, we're going to look at how to protect the surfaces of your 3D prints when it comes into contact with a harder material. In this example, metal. The inside threads are sharp and can easily cause damage to your part. Our 3D printed bracket is made to assist lifting the metal object. Our solution is to design the part with dowel pin insertions in between the metal and the printed part. This solves most of the problems with wear and tear. Here, the inside of our 3D printed part is exposed and can be worn down if it comes into contact with a more abrasive material. Your parts will not only have better performance, but will last a lot longer. Thanks for joining us, and keep an eye out for next week's video.